Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar Box. Today we have probably the most exciting for me unboxing that I've ever done on this channel, and this is my prized possession that after 3 years I have managed to get a hold of at a very good price. These are none other than the Upmann Añejados, Upmann Robustos. This box is, as you can see here, Robusto. This box is very special. The Añejados program from Habanos was introduced in the year 2015, and then they released two cigars. They released the Romeo Julieta Piramidas Añejados, and they released the Montecristo Churchill Añejados. The following year, they released two more, the Partagas Coronas Gordas Añejados, and these ones, the Joya de Monterrey number 4 / Robusto Añejados. Añejados means in Spanish aged, and the reason is that these cigars, after they're rolled, they're sat down in Habanos factories and rolled and set to rest for 5 years and aged in the right climate in Cuba, and only after 5 years of these boxes they are given the bands and they are released to the public. If you turn this box over, you'll see that this box is from April 2011. That's when the cigars were rolled, and then after 5 years of resting, they get this stamp, which means revised in Spanish, which means that the cigars, each one has been hand inspected individually to make sure that these are not leaving the factory with any faults or any damages. Now, I've been after these for many years, and I've never managed to find them at a good price. The only other place that I found them was for Habano, but I wasn't able to purchase them, and I've been looking far and wide, and eventually I found these, and I bought these at their retail price, not at a secondary price, which again, I cannot believe that I'm actually holding these boxes, and this box is gonna be in my humidor. I am so excited. When you open the box, you're greeted with the special Añejados piece of paper that explains everything that I've just said and what Añejados means, and it comes with the usual Habanos. Now let me show you these beautiful cigars. They have the regular Upmann band plus the Añejados secondary band. How gorgeous are these? I actually cannot believe that I managed to purchase these at a good price. I've been looking for Añejados for 3 years now. I'm going to be honest, have I tried them? No. Do I think that they are fantastic? Yes. I've had a different Añejados. I've had the Churchill Añejados, the Montecristo Churchill, when I was in Panama 3 years ago, and so I'm sure that these will be just as good. I purchased last year, you can see on my vlog, a single one of these from Spain. I paid 21.5 euros, which was an absolute bargain. And these are just so cool, and this is my most prized possession. And I know I've filmed this channel Lanceros, and I've filmed Siglo 6s and whatnot, but these, in my opinion, are the most special cigars that I own, and I cannot wait to try these. These literally just came back from where I purchased them, so I'm going to be leaving them in the humidor for a little bit to rest, and I can't wait to crack into them and see exactly what they taste like. But honestly, I am so excited to have these. These have been on my wish list for years, and I feel very privileged and lucky that I'm able to purchase these. This box is very close and dear to my heart, and I'll never be parting from this box. I'm not going to be selling this. As you can see, oh, this is just so beautiful. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. There's many more interesting unboxing and vlogs that are coming, but for now, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all the support that you guys give me and all the positive comments. It really pushes me to continue pumping out better and more exciting content. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good one.